Backyard Off Grid. My name is Jeffrey Barkey, as you know, and I'm out here at Sugar Bowl in front of the Christmas tree with all the snow. This is freaking wild. I came out here looking for a job, and yeah, I'm gonna have to probably just do the application online. Alright y'all, so I'm back in the Jeep, and I want to do a review on this heated mug. I got my heated mug here. I also have some Tapatío soup right here. I'm going to show you guys how to survive in the snow, because yeah, that's what I want to do. I don't know if you guys can see this, but here it is. Okay, that works better. Here's the unboxing video, if I can get it out. I know I'm wild for doing this, but it's what I like to do for fun. Here it is in the package. Comes with directions. I probably don't even need to read those, so oh well. Going to see if I can boil water in here, or just get it hot enough to where I can make some soup. Interesting stuff. Yep, that's it. Making it happen. Okay, so we got our water in here, and I'm about to plug this in, see if this thing will get hot enough to throw in some cup of noodle soup and make some soup for the snow. Pretty nuts. Alright y'all, so I'm not going to be able to do a review on that thing because I need an adapter for the C-type end of the USB cable to plug it in to Jeep. So the regular type USB will plug in there, but the C-type plugs, yeah, it's weird. It's like it's not that type, it's the C-type. So I need a C-type adapter to even use this thing. So I'm going the old-fashioned way and heating up water on the dash in a plastic bottle with the defroster on high and blast, and hopefully the water will be hot enough to where I can enjoy my cup of soup. But in the meantime, I do have these for breakfast. They are ready to eat sandwiches. They're French toast, kind of like MRE style French toast from a company that's called Bridgeford. I kid you not, they look like something you'd see in a military MRE. So I'm gonna try these out. They've been sitting on the floor near the heater in the passenger seat side, just heating up. They were hot, so I'm gonna eat those for breakfast. And yeah, I'm gonna go out and explore some more, probably go to Truckee. I'm in Donner Summit right now by Sugar Bowl, so I'm gonna go explore Truckee or whatever, see if anybody needs an Uber ride, because I'm doing Uber right now. Yeah, it's gonna be a great video for Thursday upload. Yes. So I was able to get the water hot enough to make my soup, and that's what it looks like. Yummy. Awesome, right? I'm now stopped at this Shell station in Truckee, so still looking for Uber trips. This is going to be an awesome video. Find your adventure.
Alright, y'all, so I was able to get water hot enough to make my soup. And that's like yummy, awesome, right? I'm now stopped at this Shell station in Truckee. So, still looking for super drips. This is going to be an awesome video. Find your adventure. Good. Good shoot.